Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we want to solve this problem that we have here. We have x raised to power y equals y raised to power x equals 17. The question now further says we should find the value of y minus x. The square root of y minus x will be equals what? Now let's recall from here. From here we have x raised to power y minus y raised to power x to be equals 17. Now, from here, when we have x raised to power y, then we have 2 divided by 2 here. We believe that 2 divided by 2 is equivalent to 1. So everything here will be equal to this one back. And also, y raised to power x raised to power 2 divided by 2 here will be also equals to 1. Then we can let everything equals 17. So from here, we believe that when we have a raised to power m raised to power n divided by b, we can have this to be equals a raised to power m divided by b raised to power n. We can have this one to be equals this one like this, and that is the law of indices. So from here we can have this to be equals x raised to power y divided by 2 raised to power 2 minus y raised to power x divided by 2 raised to power 2 to be equals 17. So from here we can say let a to be equals x raised to power y divided by 2 and b to be equals y raised to power x divided by 2. So from here, let's substitute this and this here. So what we are going to have will be equals a raised to power 2, then minus b all square will be equals 17. So from here, what we are going to have for this will be a square minus b square will be equals 17. Now recall that a square minus b square can be simplified to be equals a plus b and a minus b. So having known this one, now we can have this one to be equals from here a plus b then a minus b to be equals 17. Now from here we believe that we can have this 17 multiplied by 1, or we can have 1 multiplied by 17. So from here, let's take note that when we say this multiplied by this equals 17 multiplied by 1, or is it 1 multiplied by 17, we can say that whatever the value of a and b may be, this a plus b is greater than a minus b. So therefore, 1 multiplied by 17 that will show that a plus b equals 1 cannot satisfy this one. So therefore, a plus b can only be equals 17 and a minus b can only be equals 1. So from here, we can have this to be equals this a plus b and a minus b. So therefore, from here, we can equate this like this. So what we are going to have will be, what we are going to have for this will now be a plus b equals 17, a minus b equals 1. So by solving this one simultaneously, adding them together, by adding this one, what we are going to have from here, this will cancel this out. A plus a will be 2a will be equals 17 plus 1 will now be equals 18. So from here, our a will now be equals 18 divided by 2 will be equals 9. So therefore, when a equals 9, from here we have a plus b to be equals 17. So we are going to have it to be 9 plus b to be equals 17, which implies that b will now be equals 17 minus 9, and b will be equals 8. So therefore, a equals 9 and b equals 8. Recall that a equals x raised to power y divided by 2. So from here, that means we have, so we recall that a equals x raised to power y divided by 2 and b equals y raised to power x divided by 2. But a equals 9. This will now be equals x raised to power y divided by 2. So from here, when we square both sides, we have it to be like this: x raised to power y divided by 2 all square. Then this one will now be 9 raised to power 2. This will cancel this out. So what we are going to have will be x raised to power y to be equals, this one will now be 81. So we believe that x raised to power y, this 81 can be simplified or can be written as 3 raised to power 4. Likewise, we have b to be equals y raised to power x divided by 2, but we have our b to be equals 8 will be equals y raised to power x divided by 2. By squaring both sides, we have this to be equals y raised to power x divided by 2 all square will be equals 8 square. This will cancel this out. Then we are going to have our y raised to power x to be equals 8 raised to power 2 will be equals 64. And we believe that y raised to power x equals 64 can be simplified to be equals 4 raised to power 3. Now, let's take a look at this thing very well that we have here. We have x raised to power y equals 3 raised to power 4, y raised to power x equals 4 raised to power 3. From here, this equals this, x equals 3, and also here x equals 3, so it satisfies. We have x to be equals 3, and also y x raised to power y equals 4, y raised to power x, y equals 4 here. So therefore, y equals 4. So, and the question says, so therefore, the value of x equals 3 and the value of y equals 4. Now to prove that the square root of x minus y equals I, let's recall from here that we have x to be equals 3 minus y to be equals 4. So this will be equivalent to square root of 3 minus 4 will be equals minus 1. But note, in a complex number, square root of minus 1 equals I. So therefore, x minus y will be equals I from here. So if you are new here, watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more mathematics tutorial videos. Bye.